Most people believe that if they just earn more, everything will change. A higher salary, a better title, a bigger paycheck. But if salaries truly made people rich, why do so many high earners still feel financially stuck? Let's break this down. We are taught something very simple. Work hard, climb the ladder, increase your income, and eventually wealth will follow. On the surface, that sounds logical, but income and wealth are not the same thing. Income is money that flows in. Wealth is money that stays and grows. And salaries are designed for income, not for wealth. Wealth requires a different structure entirely. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine two people. Person A earns $60,000 a year. Person A is disciplined. They understand the difference between their needs and their wants. Then there's Person B, who earns $120,000 a year, double the income of Person A. You might assume Person B is on the fast track to financial freedom. But here's what often happens. As income increases, rent increases, car upgrades, lifestyle expands, expectations rise. Soon, Person B is living on $115,000 of their $120,000 salary, technically earning more, but not building wealth. This is the first structural problem with salaries. They grow spending just as easily as they grow savings. Now here's the deeper issue. A salary is linear. You trade time for money. 1 hour worked equals a fixed amount of pay. Even if your salary increases, it's still tied to your time. Wealth, on the other hand, is built through ownership, assets, equity, and investments. Assets grow without asking for more of your time. A salary stops when you stop working. An asset continues. That's a completely different financial engine. It's the difference between working for money and money working for you. There's another factor most people overlook. Taxes. The more your salary increases, the more taxation often increases. High income does not mean high retention. Because salaries are visible, they're the easiest to tax. Meanwhile, many wealthy individuals earn through assets that are taxed differently. This is about structure. Salaries are designed for stability. Wealth is built through leverage. Understanding this is key. There's also something psychological happening. A salary feels safe. It feels secure. It feels responsible. So people stop there. They focus on negotiating raises instead of acquiring assets. They optimize income instead of building systems, and slowly decades pass with good paychecks, but little ownership. So what actually builds wealth? It's not that salaries are bad. They're powerful starting tools. But wealth requires 3 practical shifts. First, saving first. Not what's left over, but what's required for your future. Second, investing consistently. Time in the market is more important than timing the market. Third, owning something that grows, or building income streams not tied directly to your time. A salary can fund wealth, but it rarely becomes wealth on its own. That's the fundamental shift. When you stop chasing the next paycheck and start building the next asset, your financial future changes. It takes courage to choose ownership over the safety of a salary. But that courage is what leads to true freedom. Start small. Start today. Identify one asset you can acquire this year. If this changed how you think about income, subscribe. We're here to help you navigate these structures. On this channel, we break down financial systems most people never question. Knowledge is the first step. Thank you for watching. Your journey to wealth starts with your next decision.